Great news, everybody. Today, look at this thing. Now it's not finished because I just moved. So this is why everything is this is why there's not everything here. There's 2 floors. The outside. We're still working on the backyard. Bendy has a new room, everything. There's finally stairs and 2 floors, which I always wanted. See that everything's still work in progress, but we'll figure it out. So enjoy the video while we're moving, and enjoy the video. So this is the car that you saw. It's a little bit different. It's got now this window. Things different. This is messed up. This is like kind of messed up. So now you can actually see. I forgot. I took out the shifter. The shifter's gone. Got the steering wheel, Benji's face and things. Got everything. This can't open or anything, but the hood can open. We got the engine right here. This is cool. Look at that. One of the valves are gone. Got here, which is where the front wheels are. This is where the gas goes in. This connects to a wall all the way over here to the trunk. Also, here's the antenna. Okay, the gas tank is gone, but don't worry, we got still this gas hole here. Now there's things in here, but hey, look, that's Fox's eye patch. You'll see more Fox. So we got here the interior of the back seat. We got the little I forgot what that is. Cup holder. We've got the seats here, and there's the front seats, which have actual seats. Got the car keys. This is the house key, actually. This is for the outside, the backyard. Got the little holder over there, the steering, the radio, the key. There's actually, this is manual. So I don't know if you can see the 3 pedals. Let's see if I can get my hands in there. You see, there's the 3 pedals, the accelerator, the brake, and the clutch. It's kind of dark. Sorry if it's dark. Not the good cameraman. So there's the thing for the holder. The wheels move. It's rear wheel drive. So that's why there's a long stick in here. It's separated. This is where the fuel goes into the engine. Got all these details. I just put all this rubbish. There's a radio here, so you can turn on the radio, so that can work. So that's basically it, and I'll show you how they sit in here. They sit like this for somewhat sticks out. Bendy, you couldn't see him in the video, the test 2 thing. Come on, Bendy. Fit in there. Boris fits in there. You could just squish his head and just, did that. So you can't see him, but he's still in there. He's still in there. I thought that Bendy was over there. Now it just fits there so he's stitched on. And everything's got glued. Just a glue glue. See, there's 2 on the side. Here's the front lights, the grill, the name. I don't know if you can see the name. Here's the name. It's that little thing. That is also for the back. and for the driver's seat. Yeah, that's it. Very much it. I took out the string. We'll put back the string so we can drive it without actually. This looks stupid. We'll put some tailpipes here and the bumper in the back, and use the license plate of the car. But I don't know. It's so blurry. Why is it so blurry? Why is it so blurry? You see, boring. It's not on the front. Also, there's nails on that.
We'll go back, okay? Let me bring me the boxes and we'll put everything together.
There.
And we'll go back to the hotel. Sounds good?
No.
You gotta help us.
So the front, this is plastic. And these are both sides. And it rolls well. Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's it. Take a bow. Take a bow. Another bow. Another bow. Another bow.